Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit World. Yet again, another opportunity right in front of you. Yes, it's a loan with no credit check, and yes, it builds your credit. But before moving forward with this video, I would like to request you to like this video so it will reach to the wider audience, and it also helps growing this channel. And also right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 credit card with no credit check. So in order to get notified about that video, please click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that $5,000 credit card video with no credit check at all. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the financial institution I'm reviewing right in front of you, it's QUO. It's a Silicon Valley fintech company, and this is one of those companies which actually provides you the loan with no credit check, and they also report your payments to the credit bureau, so it helps you to build your credit. So I'm going to take you on a tour step by step how you can get this loan, and also how much is the loan limit, is there any limit increase or not, and what are the membership perks, and of course advantages. So the first thing what they do, they actually offer the loans from $200 up to $5,000. But how they start from $200? Because there is a membership fee, and when it comes to membership, it's $9.99 per month. Yes, but there's another thing, and the catch is that they do review your account for monthly credit limit increase. Yes, they initially give you $200 credit limit, and they do report to the major credit bureaus which will help you to build your credit. Yes, it's a $9.99 per month fee, but if you are suffering from fair or bad or worse credit, this is an amazing opportunity for you. And the great thing about this, that if you utilize this loan and just pay it in full before the end of every month, or pay it every month a portion of it, then they will increase your credit limit every month. And I believe it is an amazing opportunity for a lot of people out there. They just don't offer the credit limit and loan, but at the same time they have other features as well. So let's get into it, that what are the features. The first thing they say that it's a peace of mind, that they actually have the higher limits with just 5% APR, as you can see, for the emergency credit, so you can stay out of that. So you can only use this loan if you really need it, and the APR is just 5%. And if you compare this APR with other market loans, this is much lower and a very feasible one though. So the next one, they do offer financial insights. So what they mean by financial insights, that you can track your expenses, that how much you're spending and what are your spending limits, and at the same time your spending habits, so you can manage your budget accordingly. Now they do have a backup plan. So what they exactly means, that they actually give you the emergency loans. For example, if you are already utilizing one and if you really need the loan, and you can use it with your QUO membership card. So as far as I know, they do offer the loan whatever you're utilizing right now, but they have a card that you can use in order to use that loan and the funds from that loan. So I believe this is an amazing opportunity, and it can work as a debit card somehow, but remember, when you use it, you have to pay a 5% APR. So they do have a payment plan if you want to do it that way. So you need to see your needs and act accordingly. So now they do have payment friendly terms, and what I mean by that, for example, if you have utilized $200, then you can pay it in full for 6 months. So if you can just see that, it's not $30, like somewhere around $40. So if you pay $40 every month, you can pay it in 6 months. And if you pay it in full, so of course if you pay it in the first month or the second month, it's better for you, because remember, every month they review your account for credit limit increase or loan limit increase, so it will be really beneficial for you. So this is what this QUO is all about. Remember, right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So please, in order to watch this video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. This is Sam from Credit Viral. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.